Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and to anyone that's new here, hi, my name is Christy. I'm a personal stylist that helps women rise to their highest and best selves through style. Now today, we're gonna talk about how to elevate your basic sweatshirts, because let's be honest, a lot of us are in them right now, including yours truly at the moment, and they're so comfortable and they come in so many cute cuts nowadays, and a lot of people are looking to integrate them into their everyday wear. But let's make it stylish. Let's make it, appropriate so that you feel like you're not just wearing loungewear all the time, or like the sweatshirt and leggings, which can be fun and cute for a while, but it does get dull and you do end up feeling sloppy long term if that's like all you do. So I'm gonna give you some simple tips on how you can elevate your sweatshirt so that if you're running errands or doing whatever, living your life, you'll still look cute and elevated in the process. Now for an example with this, I'm actually going to take two different looks and just build on them as we go through this video, just so you guys can see the difference with all of it. So let's dive in. So the first tip to elevate your sweatshirt is to use texture. Texture is one of those things that I feel is highly underrated and not enough people really talk about it, but it makes such a difference in how your clothing or your overall outfit looks. So in one case, I've grabbed a cream sweatshirt. This is a basic sweatshirt I found from H&M, and just a classic crew cut, so nothing like over the top with it. And to elevate this one, I actually grabbed a red sequin skirt. Now, is everyone gonna wear sequins every day? Maybe not, but I thought it would be fun to show because I would wear it in my everyday whatever, going about your business. And I really love that the sequins here added that really cool dose of texture and instantly elevates the sweatshirt. And not only that, but I also think that the average person probably wouldn't think to pair it with sequins. So I also kind of loved the creative side of that as well, which I thought was cool. And in the other instance, I've taken a really snuggly brown hoodie, and I've decided to actually pair it with some, I was gonna say brown, that's not right, black pleather pants. And again, the pleather really provides an edge, and that texture helps elevate the simple hoodie. So again, just a really simple tweak. You don't even have to do anything other than pull on your pants like you would on an everyday basis, but boom, right away, it instantly looks so much better just from adding that little shot of texture. Now the next tip to elevate from there is jewelry. I really truly believe that no outfit is actually finished without accessories of some kind. It's just not. Accessories are the icing to the cake. They're essential in an outfit if you want to make it look elevated. So if we pan back to the sequin look here for just a moment, what I've done is incorporated some necklaces. And what I've done is I've just layered a few. Again, it creates a little bit of a subtle statement because this is more day wear, and I'm saying this talking about a sequin skirt, I get it, but it just makes it a little bit more daytime appropriate to have some simple dainty necklaces that aren't too over the top. But again, they just add a visual point of interest to the sweatshirt and just make it a little bit more special. And again, just polishes out the outfit a little bit. Now, if we're talking about the pleather pant option, what I've done in this case is added some sparkly earrings, because why not have a little bit of sparkle during your day? But again, just adding that little dose of jewelry, because again, these ones I feel aren't over the top for sparkly earrings, but these ones it adds a little something, and it instantly makes the outfit look a little bit more polished. Now, could you do studs or something like that? Of course, yes, you can. But I think with elevating something that's so casual, like a sweatshirt, because it is such a casual material, it's really nice to just go the extra step further. It's not saying that you can't do the stud earrings or anything like that, but why not go big and bold if the mood calls for it? So I just love that what it did to both of the looks. Now the next tip to elevate a sweatshirt, and this might be something that you guys probably heard me talk about ad nauseum at this point, but it's to tuck. Tucking in your tops into the waistband of whatever you're wearing makes such a difference. So if you look at it before and after, and I'll do one where I'm standing with the piece untucked, and then I will do one with the sweatshirt tucked in, you will see that the silhouette on both is very different. The one where I've incorporated the tuck instantly makes my silhouette look taller, slimmer, and it's just a little bit more flattering on my figure. So this is why I'm such an advocate for tucking. If you add a belt to the situation, it's gonna add even more polish from there, but just a simple tuck makes such a difference. And I know some women end up saying to me, well, Christy, I feel like I've got a bit of a tummy, like it makes me feel self-conscious. And if that's the case for you, if you find yourself in that situation, you know, you could do a lower tuck, or just pay attention to what you're wearing on the bottom half of your body. Sometimes getting something that has a little bit more of a draping fabric and a really beautiful stretch, you'll actually find will be really, really complimentary, and it may make you feel less self-conscious to try and do that with your outfit if you feel so in future. Now, the next tip to elevating the outfits is to add a layer. Now, this is something, of course, depending on your climate, not everyone's going to want to do, but you've heard about the fact that a third layer adds that really visual point of interest. And when you're incorporating that with all the other things that we've talked about, it really makes such a difference in the overall outfit. So with the black pleather trousers, I've decided to add just a simple jean jacket. So again, this is really something that you could easily wear during the day if you're running errands, you're going for a quick coffee, like whatever the case may be. This is a very polished and put together look that we've got going on already. And the denim jacket just adds another piece to the outfit. And what I thought was kind of cool here as well is you can pull the hoodie out and flip it on the back of the denim jacket, which I think it looks, yeah, it looks kind of cool. And again, just another point of visual interest for the outfit. Now with the sequin one, I'm going to show you an option with a blazer, but I kind of like the idea of just leaving this one as is, just because the outfit with the sequins is already so powerful, and sometimes layers can add a level of formality, and with the sequins I don't want to dress this one up, so I'd rather just, you know what, we're going to skip the layer altogether, we're just going to leave it as is. Forget it, we're going to leave the layer as is for this one. We've got the one example, but yes, I don't want to dress it up too much with the sequins, so we're going to forego the layer tip in that one. Now, another way to elevate your sweatshirt is to add footwear. And of course, depending on the vibe you're going for, will obviously dictate what kind of shoes you want to wear. So with the sequins, I'm going to actually add sneakers because I want this look to be a little bit more dressed down, and the sequins are already doing so much to help elevate the outfit already. So I don't want to go too far over the deep end with this one. So I love the idea of just clean, simple white sneakers. Again, this is something you can easily run errands in. It feels comfortable, but again, it kind of edges up your day wear. I really love this look. I know some of you are going to think I'm nuts. That's fine. But I just really, really love this. And actually, I've decided to opt for sneakers because I want this to be just a very nice, easy, everyday wear for all of you, because I feel like that's kind of where we're at right now. So I decided to also add sneakers in this case with the pleather trousers. But what is different about these sneakers is the texture. So this one has a little bit of tweed to it, a little bit of suede. There's a little bit of color blocking in the sneaker as well. But again, all of those points, the texture and the different tones of color, to me add another element of interest while still keeping the outfit really casual. Now, if I wanted to dress it up a little bit, I could also add, like, let's say some leopard pump booties. That would look phenomenal with this outfit, and you could see that that would really edge it up a little bit. But I'm sticking with the day wear thing, and I love that outfit option. Just the sneakers do make such a cool vibe. And if any of you want to know what things you might need in your closet to help create some of these beautiful outfits in your own wardrobe, I do have a free wardrobe basics checklist that I will leave the link for down below. You just go to my website, join my VIP list, and it's an instant download for you from there. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the little red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any future videos from me in future. And other than that, I'm sending you all the love to the moon and back, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.